for joining today's Cargas Fireside Chat with Tipalti. Very excited to have you join us. I am Michelle Scobie. I am the Partner and Product Marketing Manager for our ERP division of Cargas. I'm very excited to have Saad Abouyahya join us from Tipalti, and I'm going to let him give you an overview of his background, and then we will get started.
Fantastic. Thank you, Michelle. Really appreciate you having me here today. First off, a huge shout out to the entire Cargas team. You've been an incredible partner, and we're excited about what we're building together. My name is Saad, and I head our alliance team for ERP partnerships at Tipalti. Been in the fintech space for over 13 years, focusing on growth, partnerships, and using technology to take the friction out of finance. Before Tipalti, I actually spent some time at Sage, which gave me firsthand insights into the challenges that customers are facing with ERP systems, challenges that led me straight to Tipalti. So very excited to be here today and have a chat.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Saad. First question, why are companies choosing Tipalti?
Really good question. So I usually start with our retention rate. So we're proud of our 99% customer retention rate, which says a lot about how well we're doing, not just with our product, but also with our support and our partnership approach. So our customers feel taken care of, and that makes it easy for our partners to trust that their clients are in good hands. What we do help solve, so we help solve complexity in finance teams. Today, finance teams are often juggling multiple tools, manual workflows, global operations. So Tipalti steps in to streamline and automate the entire payables process. So from onboarding suppliers, capturing invoices, to approvals, global payments, and tax compliance. So our solution cuts AP workload by around 80%. And improves close times by at least 25%. This means controllers and CFOs can move from clunky spreadsheet-heavy processes to a more strategic and sustainable workflow. And this is also very relevant during uncertain times, which unfortunately happens to be more often than not these days. But our approach, which is more automation, labor savings, and tighter control, helps companies navigate economic instability and operational disruptions.
Wow, that sounds great. Thank you for that explanation. Next question, and again, you mentioned uncertain times that we're in. How does Tipalti support a global finance operation? I know some of our clients out there that are listening have a global presence, so curious as to how your organization handles that.
Fantastic, great question. So Tipalti was built for global scale from the start. So we support payments in 196 countries with 120 currencies and multiple payment methods, including ACH, wire transfer, PayPal, checks, and much more. So the real game changer is our built-in compliance and tax engine. So we're handling things like OFAC checks, W8, W9 validation, VAT capture, and over 26,000 banking rules that are going to help companies reduce their payment errors. We're moving over $60 billion a year on behalf of our customers, which has helped us build strong relationships with banking partners and also helped us secure better rates that we pass on to our customers. So it's not just about saving time, it's about cutting costs and giving finance teams better control, especially when managing operations across multiple entities and countries.
Wow, thank you. That's a lot of countries that you handle. So taking that into account, AP automation sounds like you're on the cutting edge of that, but how does Tipalti, kind of blend into the procurement side of the business as well?
Tipalti's procurement solution actually helps control spending right from the start. So employees can request purchases through a simple portal with custom forms, rule-based routing, and collaboration tools. Once approved, purchase orders are generally automatically generated. There's no more messy spreadsheets or email approval chains. And this leads to less back and forth, better visibility, and more control over spending. We also support 2- and 3-way PO matching. And this is done with adjustable tolerances. So when an invoice comes in, it's automatically matched and ready for payment. So this means finance teams aren't just reacting to invoices, they're actively managing spend from request to the reconciliation after those payments are made through our solution.
Wow, that's great. Now, taking those differentiators into account, stepping up a level, how do you see this, the CFO and the controller being different, and how does Tipalti handle that from a reporting aspect?
Yeah, so controllers focus on control. So they need accurate data, clear audits, proper approvals, and solid compliance. So they want tools that reduce manual work while still giving them complete oversight. So Tipalti delivers with features like layered permissions, audit logs, and real-time reporting. CFOs, on the other hand, they're all about strategy. So they need a big picture view across entities, clear insights into cash flow, and just fewer distractions. So they want to scale without adding unnecessary overhead. And Tipalti brings all global payables into one system with consolidated reporting, which fits perfectly with the CFO's need for strategic visibility.
Given, Tipalti's footprint in the business, what are some of the gains and results that some of your customers have seen?
Really good question. So our customers often see major time savings. So processing cycles can drop by over 80%, and financial close times can go from 10 days down to just 3 to 4 days. They experience fewer errors, eliminate duplicate payments, and also cut down on vendor inquiries thanks to our supplier portal and automated notifications. In many cases, customers handle 3 to 4 times the invoice volume without having to hire any extra staff, streamlining multiple subsidiaries into one efficient AP workflow with better visibility. So it's real, measurable ROI, and most teams see the benefits within the first quarter after implementation. When it comes to hard dollar cost savings, can give you an example from last week. Actually, one of our customers was paying over $30 per wire transfer to vendors in Spain. Once they switched to local bank transfers with Tipalti using what we call SEPA payments, they saw a dramatic cost reduction without having to change their operations. So now their existing workflow, which was sending a wire through a bank, which does not provide any further automation. There's no reconciliation happening after payments are made. It's still a manual work to get that information uploaded into an ERP. Apart from those type saving efficiencies, we have been able to demonstrate hard dollar cost savings by saving them money through our global ACH payment method from an expensive wire transfer. And so I've been at Tipalti here for 5 years, and it's been an incredible journey. I joined when we were around 250-person company. Now we're over 1,200 employees. So we've grown fast, and that came with challenges, but also with a clear sign of our flexibility and capability. So this growth wouldn't be possible without our partner network. With Cargas as a prime example, we go above and beyond to ensure our partners succeed because everything is connected: our customers, our technology, and the people behind it all. So it's been quite an interesting journey, but yeah, nevertheless, always a pleasure to connect with partners such as Cargas and in these type of initiatives.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time today. Really appreciate it. For those that have listened into this fireside chat, we thank you for carving out some time. And if any of this conversation kind of sparked an interest from a, wow, I didn't know that. I didn't know that we could bring in a global partner to handle a lot of our global operations, please don't hesitate to reach out to Cargas, and then we will connect you with our good friends at Tipalti. Saad, I want to thank you for your time. I look forward to our continued partnership. It's been great, and I know that we will continue to have very strong results for our customers. So thank you again, and thank you to everyone who joined to listen today.